Look at the screen, that flickering cursor. It is waiting for you, isn't it? But lately that cursor feels like a threat. You look at the headlines. You hear the whispers in the hallways of the university. You see the updates. You see the automations. And a cold shadow starts to creep into your chest. The world is trying to convince you that you are being replaced. It is telling you that your 4 years of study, your late nights, your mountain of debt, and your burning ambition are being rendered obsolete by a box of wires and a line of code. You feel like a ghost in a machine that does not need you anymore. But listen to me. That is the trap. That is the cage they want your mind to live in. Because a student who is afraid of the future is a student who stops trying. And the system loves it when you stop trying. Do not be afraid. An algorithm can calculate the distance to the stars, but it will never know what it feels like to look up at them and wonder. An AI can write a poem, but it has never had its heart broken. It can generate a solution, but it has never known the friction of the struggle. It does not know the 2 a.m. caffeine-fueled desperation of a semester that feels impossible. It does not know the weight of your parents' expectations. It does not know the hollow ache of an empty bank account. The AI has no skin in the game. You do. I need you to hear these words and let them sink into your bones. Everything is going to be okay. Do you hear me? Everything will be okay. The tracks are shifting, but as long as you stay on your track, the track of growth, the track of empathy, the track of winning, there is a place for you. There is a career for you that has not even been named yet. There is a life waiting for you that is bigger than a GPA and more stable than an algorithm. You are not falling behind. You are becoming. So, do not you dare close that book. Do not you dare drop that class because you are afraid of what is coming. The future is not something that happens to you. It is something you build. They want you scared. They want you silent. They want you to think the trap has already closed. Break the lock. Your intuition, your grit, your ability to fall down 7 times and stand up again. That is the only currency that will never lose its value. Stay locked in. Stay on the track. The system is changing, but you are the one who will lead it. Take a breath. The future is not a monster. It is a canvas. And you still hold the brush. Everything will be okay. Just do not stop walking. This is the voice of the resilience. This is the soul of the struggle. This is you, and you will win.